Hi, my name is Jian Liu. Here, I give a demonstration on how a testing endpoint can be emulated by our approach. Software emulation is an approach to model the external behavior of a system. There are two existing approaches. One is manually coding endpoints, and its development cost is high. Another one is interaction trace recording and replay, and it relies on the trace data availability. Our emulation tool includes an endpoint modeling and a runtime testing environments. The modeling is a three-step process, from endpoint signature, protocol to behavior. Testing environment is generated by transforming the models to executable forms automatically. Our tool was developed by MetaEdit Plus. Open it and use a simplified banking system as example, and I add one service deposit to the endpoint. The entire source code's available online. Click the signature model to start signature modeling. To define an operation, drag and drop operation icon to the drawing area. Select new graph and type in deposit. Use in-out pattern and RPC style as default. To define messages in the operation, hold down Control key and doubly-click the deposit symbol. Select deposit and create new diagram to open operation graph. Drag and drop message icon. Select attach new diagram and type in deposit request. Similarly, deposit response message is defined but label is out. The next is to define the elements of request message. Hold down Control key and doubly-click the deposit request symbol to open message graph. Select deposit request. Drag and drop element icon. ID, a name input user ID. Data type integer. Input user ID is defined as 5-digit long. Similarly, another element amount is defined. In the same way, deposit operation response message is specified. As port type consists of operations, the composite relationship is used to link deposit operation to the port type. This is the end of signature modeling. Click Protocol Model to start protocol modeling. To define an endpoint state, drag and drop state icon to main area. In dialog, fill in state name deposit. Unselect safe operation, as deposit is unsafe. Give transmission time 15 seconds. To define a constraint transition, use constraint transition relationship to link it from home to deposit state. Fill in dialog. Deposit. Logon. Input username. Not equal. X to represent null value. To define timeout, use sequence flow relationship to link deposit state to home. Fill in dialog 30 seconds. This is the end of protocol modeling. Click Behavior Model to start behavior modeling. To define a service node modeling, drag-drop a service node icon to main area. In dialog, type in service name and unselect collapse. You can see request and response parameters imported from signature model. To specify service node implementation, doubly-click the service node symbol. Select Create New Graph, type in deposit in dialog. Drag-drop entrance and exit bars at the top and bottom. The first operator is data store to retrieve account balance. Filling in data store dialog. Operation query. Table name bank account table. Condition field 1, account number equal. Condition value 1, input user ID. Field name 1, balance. If account is found, assign retrieved balance to variable account balance. Otherwise, assign variable fatal error. To calculate new balance, drag drop evaluator to main area. Name is new account balance. Parameters are amount and account balance. Formula is P0 plus P1. Similar to query operation, use data store operato to update the account with new account balance. The last step is to specify temporal sequence relationship among the operators, link input and output ports of operators together by edges. Hollow circle port is for input, black port is for normal output and yellow circle port is for exceptional output. This is the end of behavior modeling. It is also the end of testing endpoint modeling. Thank you for watching the video.